Today we're talking about what to eat after 64, a stronger body. This is actually a question that was asked by one of our viewers, so if you have questions, please write them below. We will answer them in the next videos. Okay, so let's go ahead. So if you are 60 or older, this is an important topic because your nutritional needs change as you age. Now your body changes composition. You lose muscle mass, you lose bone density, your metabolism slows down, you lose fat, you lose water weight. And so all of those things together mean that you need to adjust your diet. Now the first thing to focus on is protein. As you age, you need more protein. Now, before I go any further, if you are not a fan of meat, I'm going to put some recipes in the description box below from our channel that do not include meat, okay, that are plant-based. But if you can get past that and try some things, it will really help you. The reason why protein is important is because as you age, you lose muscle, and protein helps you maintain your muscle mass. Protein also helps with weight loss. So all these things working together help you have a stronger body. Now, the amount of protein that you need depends on your activity level. If you are sedentary, aim for about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are active, maybe even 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now remember that each person is different. Some people may need more protein than others. I want to talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are important for brain health, heart health, for reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a problem as you age. The omega-3 fatty acids help with that. They also help with maintaining bone density. Now, the best foods that are naturally high in omega-3 south are wild-caught salmon, sardines, anchovies. If you don't eat fish, then you need to take a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Now, there are different types of omega-3 south. You have DHA and EPA. Those are the ones that are found in fish. There's also ALA, which comes from walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. You can convert ALA into EPA and DHA, but the conversion rate is poor, so it's easier just to get the EPA and DHA directly from fish or from a supplement. Next on the list is fiber. Fiber is important for gut health. It helps with digestion, helps you feel full. It's good for weight loss. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. Foods that are high in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, so make sure you include those in your diet. The next thing to include is healthy fats. These are things like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats are good for your heart. They help reduce inflammation. They also help you feel full. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for bone health. It helps with calcium absorption. It also helps with immune function. Now, if you are unable to get outside, if you live in a colder climate, then chances are you may need to take a vitamin D supplement. But of course, the best source is the sun. When your skin is exposed to the sun, you can make vitamin D. Now, if you live in a sunny climate, you can get your vitamin D from the sun year-round. Okay, next is calcium. Calcium is important for bone health. It's also important for muscle function. Good sources of calcium include dairy products, leafy green vegetables, fortified foods such as almond milk or orange juice. And lastly is iron. Iron is important because it helps carry oxygen throughout the body. It can be a problem as you age because you lose blood volume, and also your body becomes less efficient at absorbing iron. Now, the best source of iron is red meat. Other sources include poultry, fish, beans, lentils, spinach. If you are unable to get enough iron from your diet, then you can take an iron supplement. Now, there are many other nutrients that are important. This is not an exhaustive list. However, I think that these are the most important ones to start with. Remember to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Choose lean proteins and healthy fats. If you are 60 or older, you need to take care of yourself because you have a lot more life to look forward to. You don't have to be 60 and feel like you're 100 years old. Take care of yourself. Eat right, exercise, and be active. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, please share your success story in the link down below.